Hey everybody, Iceman50 here. So I thought we'd come out and work on the car. Looks like it's probably gonna rain. We'll hobble over here, and I picked up this leather car care kit, and I never really conditioned the seats in this thing, so I thought we'd come over here and clean the leather seats on the shaker, and then use the leather conditioner. So let's get to that here. We'll show you what's inside in the kit. Let's set that right there. Unlock the doors. I'll set my keys here. So in the kit you get the leather cleaner and the conditioner, and they give you 2 microfiber towels. That's it. Pretty simple. So, oh, and they even say scan the QR code to learn how to clean and condition your leather. I'm not so sure it's that difficult, but what we'll do is we'll set the cane down here. And I think the leather conditioner, these come with little things on there. Ooh, it's not strong, but it kind of smells like ass. I don't know. That's weird. I thought it was gonna smell good. And it's quite smell good to me. Let's see. We'll open up the leather conditioner too. This one kind of, neither of them have a real strong smell, but this one has more of a chemical smell to it too. So obviously we'll use one of these for the cleaner and one for the conditioner. Let's move this. All right. So and this is a 2015. It's got some cracks and stuff in it. I mean, you know, I don't drive this car a whole lot. I mean, I don't go very far. I only go, you know, maybe 4 miles a day. Maybe 4 to 8 miles. But then again, you know, now that I got the Grom, I haven't really been driving this thing too much. So I figured it was probably a good time to start cleaning it up a little bit. I got some nice this black nano wax from Turtle Wax too, for the outside, so we can go ahead and get that looking tight too. So I'm assuming I'm just gonna go on here and rub this all down. We'll skip ahead here, we'll fast forward. You guys can watch me do this, and we'll see you when I'm done. Oh yeah, you can see some of the red coming off of it there. Was a perfectly clean rag. All right, well, I'll skip over to this side, and I'll bring you back when I start doing the conditioning. See you in a minute. I got the 2 front seats cleaned. We're gonna just do the front seats for today. We'll do the back seats later. Get this out here. Oh yeah, you see it's kind of goopy. massage this in a little bit. And that's pretty much it. We just, you know, rub it in. All right, everybody. You see, we got both front seats done. This goes pretty quick. You know, this stuff's pretty good. It's not too slimy. It's a little sticky. I guess calling it leather honey. Get off our paw prints here. So that's about it. We'll see you guys in the next one. Easy.